Good afternoon, parents. I hope you had a wonderful long weekend. Just giving you a sneak peek into the classroom. We've started to transform our learning space to start another unit of inquiry. We are going to be exploring the question, what is a forest? This term, in addition to some other science-based topics. We're also going to be looking into Indigenous people's uses of the land and the forest. So you can see that our classroom has transformed into beautiful woods with lots of spring artwork. So today I posed the question, what is a forest? And I was telling the girls that Lily and I were having a discussion over the weekend about what's a forest, because I was thinking where we were walking, Max was a forest and she didn't think so. So this afternoon, the girls did a little inquiry project where they each individually draw and wrote about what they thought a forest was. Then they worked together in their groups to really narrow down what they thought makes a forest, what things it would have to have into it. And we started to bring these ideas together. And what we realized is that what some groups thought was essential to a forest, like having wolves and panthers and bears, other groups thought it was maybe not so necessary. So there are some things that all the groups had, like it has lots of trees, it has animals, plants, dirt, that kind of thing, soil. So once we finished this inquiry, we thought about how could we find out the answer? How could we find out which things have to be in a forest to make it a forest? So the girls came up with some great ideas. They thought that they could investigate, because we actually posed the question, is the big woods a forest? So we thought we could head out there this week and have a really close look around and see what we could find out. We could do some research with some books and videos. We could ask an expert like Miss Hare. We could also ask some Indigenous people to see if they could give us some insight about forests. And we happen to know an Indigenous elder named Cease who came to visit us in the first term. We thought we could give her a call again and see if she could come and help us solve this problem. So perhaps over dinner tonight, have this question around the table and have a discussion about what do you think makes a forest a forest?